Fish on. Yep, it's a good one. Well guys, it is pouring right now. Being a little risky today. We're gonna go out to the lake, testing out a new lake on top of that. So with the rain, took our seats out. Hopefully we'll catch something. The rain's supposed to stop in about an hour, but yeah, we'll keep y'all updated. See that? Oh yeah, that was a good one. Oh man, I think I had one on. Yeah, I had one on. Look at that, took it completely off the hook. There's got to be tons of crappie in here. Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me. How am I not getting? Fish on. Yep, it's a good one. It's under my boat. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. That's a good one. Texas rig. Woo. That's a fatty. Ow. Yeah, toss one back on. No, for real. Look at that. I mean, that's a, I'd say a solid 3 or 4 pounder. Whew. I'm going now. I knew it was gonna be a good day of fishing. It's a good one.
Yep, definitely. We're going into the trees.
Yep.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, this is. Yeah, it is.
All right. I'm pushing it back out. Pushing it back. There we go.
Man, I can't believe already got a solid fish. Like, yeah, dude. I got silver.
Silver?
Silver and white. Silver and white.
What's it say?
4.65.
Oh yeah, 4 pound.
4.65. It's a good one. Start the day off.
Hell yeah,
Just barely, not even.
been out here 30 minutes.
Not even if that, man. If that. Woo! Oh. I'm so glad we came out today. I got some more of those plastics. I just bought them at Bass Pro Shops. All right, let me come your way. I'm glad I went with that color. I was close to going just solid white. Oh yeah. I was working it real weird too. I wasn't even I was kind of just messing with my stuff for a second, paused, and that's when it took it. Oh man. Yeah, I want to see what's back there, behind there. Oh, it's getting rough over there. the wind. Yeah, I'm gonna go around this other cove, the other side. Only cause, yeah, dude, I really don't have much of an option. I mean, look at this current right here. Man, all the way back there in the left looks good too. I'm gonna go to the right. That's not good. Just caught a fish over here in this other spot, so I'm gonna go over there and see how it is. No, this is nice. I just want to use this flipless crankbait. Seeing fish right under me right here. Fish on. Oh, he swallowed it. Big old crappie. Yep. Dude, ate it, dude. First I thought it was a decent bass, and then I'm like, oh, it's crappie. It's weird how white they are. Yeah, it's like you can't tell what it is till you get up close. That's a pretty good sized crappie though. Most of them are pretty small. And for a crappie to get that big, that's about average, I'd say. Pretty good day for testing out a new lake. Back home now. Caught 2 fish, 1 largemouth, 1 crappie. The largemouth was 4 pounds. Probably within 20 minutes of fishing. got a huge bite and took it. Now I'm headed home, gonna grab a bite to eat and then just relax and call it a day. So until next time, guys.